Introducing Blackview DR750S 2-channel, the new cloud dashcam standard. Refining Blackview's signature design, the DR750S 2-channel reinvents dashcam performance. Both front and rear cameras feature a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor. We push the Starvis sensor to its limits so you can feel safe knowing your Blackview is recording clear videos day and night, whether you're driving or your vehicle is parked. When you just want best recording fidelity, Blackview delivers with up to 60 frames per second. The result is true-to-life footage that catches crucial details even in fast-moving objects. But there's more. Faster Wi-Fi for quicker downloads with the Blackview app, event video file protection, adaptive format-free file management, improved GPS, and of course, cloud connectivity. Blackview DR750S 2-channel. Dashcam without compromise. Find yours at blackview.com.
Introducing the Nightscape dash camera from Yi Technology. Powerful night vision recording, capacitor dashcam design. With a large 2.4-inch LCD screen. Simple setup means it's ready to go in 5 minutes or less. Once you start the car's engine, it begins recording, so it's ready to go when you are. Record exceptionally detailed footage in crystal clear 1080p, and with a 140-degree field of view, you can cover 3 lanes of traffic. High-quality Sony imaging sensor means you also capture colorful images with all the details. Minimize the potential for human error while driving with the Nightscape dash camera. Wide dynamic range algorithm overcomes the issue of dimness and overexposure. The Yi Nightscape dash camera helps make the safety of you and your passengers the #1 priority. This is the smartest dash camera on the road, the Nightscape dash camera from Yi Technology.